This is my favourite shirt. Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. A different picture for each season. You know, you can make music that sounds like the seasons too. Summer, autumn, winter, spring. Each one has a different song to sing. Summer. That sounds a bit like summer, don't you think? Summer, season of the scorching sun. Run to the beach for some summer fun. Do you like to run to the beach in summertime? Yeah. Flip-flop, 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 down to the beach. And then running across the hot sand. Ow, ooh, ooh, splash! Into the ocean. Whoops, I forgot to take my hat off. Autumn time. Have you ever seen the way the coloured leaves fall from the trees in autumn? Autumn, season of the falling leaves. Try to catch them as they fall from the trees. You know, I love the sound that the fallen leaves make when you run through them. Crunch, 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 crunch. And then running, run, and jump into a pile of autumn leaves. Crunch, crunch, crunch. That's the sound of the wind on a cold winter's day. I like to sit and listen to the wind as it goes whooshing through the trees. Whoosh, whoosh. Winter season when the cold wind blows. Run with the wind, see how far you can go. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. That's the sound of the winter wind. And then, when the winter's over, it's springtime. That's, spring music. That's growing music. Little seeds popping and growing up in the ground. Springtime, season of the new leaves and flowers. Dance with the plants in the springtime showers. That sun's getting very hot. I think I'll need my hat again. Hey, that must mean it's summer. Back to the beach. Summer, season of the scorching sun. Run to the beach for some summer fun.